In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to set up and customize your Beauty by Star widget using the Divine API dashboard. This widget is a great way to provide personalized beauty and horoscope recommendations based on the Zodiac signs, helping your users explore insights to their beauty regimen, personality, and lifestyle. Additionally, the same functions are applied to the Astro Chick Picks and Zodiac Gift Guru widgets, offering the same easy customization and integration options. Let's get started. To begin, log into your dashboard by opening the login page in your browser and entering your registered email and password. Once logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard, where all your features and tools are accessible. In this step, begin by focusing on the left-hand side of the dashboard. You'll find the Cosmic Lifestyle option in the menu. Click on Cosmic Lifestyle to expand the list of available widgets. In this section, you will see several widgets, including Beauty by the Star, Astro Chick Picks, and Zodiac Gift Guru. To proceed, select Beauty by the Star from the list to access its customization and integration options. Additionally, the other widgets, such as Astro Chick Picks and Zodiac Gift Guru, are available in the same section for you to explore and integrate into your site. In the integration panel, you can choose from 3 options to integrate the widget into your website. The script code snippet allows you to embed the widget directly into your website's HTML. For platforms that support iframes, you can use the iframe code snippet. If you are using WordPress, the WordPress shortcode provides a seamless way to embed the widget into pages or posts. Once you've chosen your preferred method, copy the code and paste it into the appropriate section of your website. This step ensures the widget is live and functional. Next, let's customize the widget to match your website's design and user experience. Start by creating a new setting by clicking plus Create New Setting, or edit an existing one. Give it a name like Beauty by Star Custom. You can personalize the design by selecting from pre-designed color themes like Serenity or Evergreen, or by customizing colors to match your brand. Choose fonts that suit your website's style, whether it's an elegant serif like Cormorant Garamond or a modern sans serif like Montserrat. For headings, add a title like Discover Your Zodiac's Beauty and include a subheading that describes the widget's purpose, such as Explore personalized beauty tips and horoscope recommendations based on your Zodiac sign. You can also set a default Zodiac sign, which will be displayed when the widget first loads. For example, you can choose Aries or any other sign that fits your audience's preferences. Adjust the width of the widget to fit seamlessly into your website. You can select from small, medium, or large options, depending on your page layout. Next, choose a horoscope layout for the Zodiac icons. You can display them as a single icon, in a grid, or as a scrollable carousel. Select the option that best fits your website design. You can also customize the horoscope icon style by selecting one of the available styles. As you make a selection, the changes will automatically update in the widget preview, allowing you to see how it looks in real time. Next, you can customize the recommendation icon style by selecting from multiple options like V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. This feature allows you to personalize how beauty recommendations are visually represented, with the selected icon style reflecting in real time on the widget preview. This flexibility helps you align the widget's design with your website's aesthetic. Before finalizing, use the preview functionality to check how the widget looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Ensure the design, fonts, and layout remain consistent across all platforms. Once you're satisfied with the customization, click Save to apply your changes. Then, return to the widget overview to copy the integration code for embedding on your site. That's it. You've successfully set up and customized your Beauty by Star widget. This powerful feature enhances your website by offering detailed and personalized beauty and horoscope insights to your users. The same customization features apply across other widgets, like Astro Chick Picks and Zodiac Gift Guru, making it easy to implement across different sections of your site. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is here to help. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.